and this is my video assignment for my Flappy Bird part 2. I'm going to be for SGD 168 mobile programming, and I'm going to be showing you what I have done. So the first thing I want to do is show you the new things I added. I added a red pipe, I added the score text, the high score, and our Flappy Bird is going to flap their wings. So I'm going to show you the stuff we have worked on in coding. First, we made a global bar. It's basically just another class where we is going to storage or numerical values. So that's why we're going to be using int. This is only going to work for like score and high score. This is what it's going to help us keep it through the game. Like, this is going to allow the computer storage the information so you know which one is your high score, and also reset the score at the beginning of every play. But to modify that, you have to also go to your player controller and make sure you get 2 new public tests. It's public test, so you can go to Unity and drag your text in there. So we have a score text and a higher score. And then wherever you print your score before in the part 1, you're just going to change your score times the global bar. So it times what it already, the score you already did. And this is to change the numerical value to a string value so you can connect it and so you can score it. And the same way you have to do it over here. This is a check score, so the computer can compare the score you just made versus the scores you made before to have a high score. The same thing happens here. Then we also, in the pipe spawner, to add the red pipes, we change the game objects for pipes instead of only one. And then we change it here to instantiate pipes, random pipe, between 2 different pipes. That's what you're going to do on Unity. You're going to go here to your pipe spawner. You're going to set 2, and then you're going to pick from your prefabs your green pipe and your red pipe and set them up. And this allows both pipes to come in randomly in the same like range, vector range. And lastly, we did the public sprite for neutral, falling, and rising. This is like when you have a little group, you can, since the 3 of them are the same type of sprite, you can make one public sprite and just separate them with a comma and put all 3. And then we made these anim where we check the velocity on Y in which the Flappy Bird was moving up and down, so we can set it after if it goes over, no, if it goes below this quantity, then the Flappy Bird's wing are going to be falling, and if it goes over these, it's going to be rising, and if it's neither of them, it's going to be neutral. I don't know how good of an explainer I am, but yeah. And then you have to put it in a void update. Just call it, don't have to do anything else, just call it, just so the game keeps doing it over and over again. And now let's see how my Flappy Bird works. I'm not very good at the game. I think I need to modify the pipes and the velocity for me because I have just, see, gotten a 3 best scores. But see, it keeps the score. And ah, I want to get at least one so you can see how the score goes up. Then you attach the score script to your text. So it's going to keep going up or down. But I'm only getting red pipe. That's so unfair. Okay. I'm having fun, even though I'm frustrated of this Flappy Bird. Oh, I was never good for this thing. I don't know why it's not updating my score. Sometimes it takes time, like it doesn't read it here too well, and I think it's because it's compiling like so many things that it was just working. But it like reads it through here. But here you see it's checking all the velocity. And so, well, I'm going to fix that later because I don't know what's going on. But yeah, thank you. I hope you enjoy the video. And look, this is where you put the score text and the high score. And that's it. Thank you.